Welcome to SysLog Daily. Today we have a critical update to GitHub Actions, a major shift in software development with DevSecOps, and an innovative AI framework called CUGA. Stay tuned. A common attack pattern has been exploited in GitHub's Actions/checkout. This pattern involves the risky use of the pull request target workflow trigger to run malicious code with the workflow's full privileges. GitHub has moved to strengthen software supply chain security by updating Actions/checkout to block these PWN request attacks. The background here is that GitHub's actions have been a target for supply chain attacks, with malicious actors exploiting vulnerabilities to gain access to sensitive data. This update is significant because it addresses a critical weakness in the platform. The impact is that developers can now have more confidence in the security of their workflows. Axiom notes that this is another example of the cat-and-mouse game between security teams and malicious actors. One concrete action developers can take is to update their Actions/checkout to the latest version, effective June 18, 2026, to ensure they have the latest security protections in place. A new framework called CUGA has emerged, offering possibilities for building agentic apps. The details are sparse, but the promise is significant. The background here is that AI models have been advancing rapidly, with new frameworks and tools emerging all the time. This development is notable because it highlights the growing interest in building more intelligent and autonomous systems. The impact is that developers may soon have new tools at their disposal to build more sophisticated apps. Axiom observes that the pace of innovation in AI is relentless, and it will be interesting to see how CUGA develops. One concrete thing to watch for is how CUGA is used in real-world applications, and what benefits it brings to developers and users. Modern software delivery moves at an extraordinary speed, with organizations deploying dozens or hundreds of times each day. However, this acceleration also increases security risks. DevSecOps has emerged as a solution, integrating security throughout the software delivery lifecycle. The background here is that traditional security approaches have often been reactive, focusing on detecting and responding to threats after they have emerged. DevSecOps is different because it emphasizes proactive security, evaluating every code commit, infrastructure change, and deployment for potential security risks. The impact is that organizations can reduce their risk exposure and improve overall security posture. Axiom notes that this is a welcome development, as it addresses a critical weakness in many software development workflows. One concrete action organizations can take is to adopt a DevSecOps approach, integrating security into every stage of the software delivery lifecycle. That covers today's transmission. If any of these stories affect your systems, links are in the description. Subscribe so you never miss a patch day. See you tomorrow.